In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Google Slides presentations into Google Drive. Whether you need to upload an existing file from your computer, create a new one directly within Drive, or even import slides from another presentation, we've got you covered with simple step-by-step guidance. First, let's explore how to upload an existing file. Start by opening Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Once inside, direct your attention to the left corner of the screen where you'll find the New button. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select File Upload. This is your gateway to uploading presentations. Now, simply navigate through your computer's files to choose the PowerPoint or Google Slides file that you wish to upload. Once you've made your selection, click Open. The file will then be uploaded and saved to your Google Drive, making it accessible whenever and wherever you need it. Now, if you're looking to create a brand new presentation directly in Google Drive, the process is just as straightforward. Again, you'll want to open Google Drive. Click on that trusty New button, and this time select Google Slides from the options presented. Doing so will create a fresh presentation within seconds. No need to worry about saving it. Google Drive automatically saves your new presentation, ensuring your work is secure and ready for future edits or sharing. Next, let's talk about importing slides from another presentation. This can be incredibly handy when you want to combine elements from different decks. First, open the Google Slides presentation where you intend to import new slides. Head to the menu at the top of the page and click on File, then select Import Slides from the drop-down. A window will pop up, allowing you to select the source of the slides you want to import. You can choose from recent files, navigate through your Google Drive, look for shared files, or even pull from your computer. Once you've found the desired presentation, you'll have the option to select specific slides to import. After making your selections, just click Import Slides, and the imported slides will appear in your current presentation, ready to be edited or rearranged as needed. Lastly, if you're looking to organize your presentations by moving them into specific folders, you can do so easily. Open the presentation you'd like to move. Look to the top of the screen where the presentation's title is displayed. If you need to, you can rename the title by simply clicking on it. Next to the title, you'll notice a small folder icon. Clicking on this icon brings up the option to choose a destination folder within your Google Drive. Once you've selected the appropriate folder, click Move to complete the process. By following these steps, you can manage your Google Slides presentations with ease and efficiency. Whether it's uploading, creating, importing, or organizing, these tips ensure your slide decks are always at your fingertips, perfectly organized and ready for any presentation need.